Hey guys, this is Ryan Smith. Thanks for checking out the Kitchen Alpha YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bake a cheesy and simple to make broccoli and cheese casserole. Alright, first things first, we'll go over the ingredients. It's very simple. You'll need a 16-ounce package of frozen broccoli cuts, or you can use fresh if you like. You'll need a sleeve and a half of Ritz crackers, or whatever brand that you prefer, of the salted buttery crackers. You'll need a 10.5-ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. Need a 12-ounce package or 3 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I use mild. You can use sharp if you want, but I prefer the mild in this casserole. And you'll need a stick and a half of unsalted butter. The first thing you're going to want to do is steam your broccoli for about 5 minutes. Alright, next step, go ahead and put your broccoli in a pretty good sized mixing bowl. And to that, we're going to add the can of cream of mushroom soup. Add the whole can. And 2 cups of shredded cheese. Now, and this is a 12-ounce package. It's got 3 cups in. I already took 1 cup out, put that aside. I'm going to use that in my topping. But you're going to go ahead and just pour every bit of this in here. And go ahead and give this a little mix. Alright, now once this is mixed good, we're going to go ahead and put this to the side, and we'll make our crust and our topping. Alright, in another mixing bowl, you're going to want to add a sleeve and a half of these crackers, and we're going to crush these up, and this is going to make up our crust, and also part of it will go into our topping. I'm going to do about half a sleeve, that one there, and you just want to take your hands and get in here and crush these up. Alright, to these I'm going to add a stick and a half of melted butter. You just want to mix this up good. Alright, you're going to take a casserole dish, and I'm just going to lightly hit the bottom of it, maybe the sides just a little bit, with a little cooking spray, and add all of this crust except for about a cup of it. Alright, now you just want to kind of mash this down and get it kind of even. This will be your crust. We'll go ahead and add in our broccoli and cheese and soup mixture. Just spread that out evenly. We'll just go ahead and add the rest of the crackers and butter. Kind of spread those out over the top. Take something and just spread them out a little bit. Gives you a little extra texture and nice flavor at the top of it too. We've got a cup of cheese. I'm just going to spread this over the top. Now that's ready to go in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes.